Hey guys, it's Auntie Nina. Still enjoying my little XG streak. I wanted to show you guys this video because it is very R&B and these girls can sing very well and they can dance and it's like they were in the 90s. They just seem to really be able to get the music right and that it just warms my heart. So let's get right to it. This is In the Rain by XG. Hope you enjoy it.
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head.
Juria.
Head over heels, nothing to fear. Cause we had each other.
Chisa.
Fall through the weather. There was no other like this. And then you started hiding it, sliding
Go,
it.
Harvey.
Baby,
That's
you're
Harvey.
so everything.
And Coco,
Boy,
my
why
girl
are
Coco
you
with her.
stuttering? About my this
It's
feeling.
Maya.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
So you never been like that, like that. Yeah, I know it's a shame.
Jaren, the leader of the group.
You got nobody to blame but your baby. Night after night, all the
And
times
lastly,
I tried,
Hinata.
I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain.
Sing it,
Left me
Juria.
out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm my side, I'm my side, I'm my side. So let it rain, what else can I do? Ain't no sign of a
You see,
light,
Coco
no
sings too.
umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right where you left me.
And the dancing.
In the rain, in the
Ugh,
rain.
the dancing.
In the rain, in the rain, in the rain.
Clean and tight dancing.
Rain, rain, don't go away. Please stay another day. Funny how I don't wanna make it stop.
Stop.
Hands every time it drop. Each drop. Yeah, right now you got me dancing in the rain. All by myself like I'm insane. But sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything. Goodbye. Ain't no one will look back. It was only a game, but a pity.
That's Harvey, love her.
All in a frame without me, baby. Poured down a drain, all the scars, all the pain. I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold.
Nice dancing in this section.
Can't you see I'm my side, I'm my side, I'm my side.
My Coco with the hat on.
Let it rain, what else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right where you left me. In the rain, in the rain, in the rain. In the rain, in the rain, in the rain.
They showed the three of them because they're the main singers. Chisa, Juria, and Hinata. I mean, like, this is old school. They could have played this on the station when I was younger. Look at that. I love XG. In the Rain. So that was XG's In the Rain. I hope you enjoyed that. The R&B singing and the dancing. And I can't get enough of them. I have my XG playlist and I am constantly on it. But anyways, again, my name's Auntie Nina. I hope you enjoyed that. And I hope that you will subscribe and follow me. Thank you very much. Nina out.